In the previous section, we've already learned the basics of present simple and present continuous. As you advance in the course, you will see that it is structured in a way which helps you revise and practice all the time. At the same time, I didn't give you the whole information at once, and this is deliberately. If I told you everything possible about present simple and present continuous in the first level, then you will not be able to practice, to feel, to remember everything. The approach of this course is a little bit more different. Everything is divided in levels, and it is step-by-step approach. That's why you don't need to start one topic, check the whole content, and to watch everything related to present simple, for example. Follow the logic of the lectures. Everything is structured in a way which will help you get better by practicing. And saying all that, here is what you already know. We use present simple when we speak about an action which happens every day. As you don't forget about him, her, it, doesn't, and does when you form the negative and the question. By contrast, present continuous, you're speaking about something which is happening at the moment of the action. Okay, these are the basics. What is the new part now? You need to be careful with some verbs, because not every verb in English can form the ing form or has a continuous form. Well, here are some examples. I don't agree with you now, but you can't say I'm not agreeing with you. So the correct one is I don't agree with you. After that, I don't believe you, not I'm not believing you. I don't believe you. It depends on the weather, not it's depending on the weather. It depends on the weather. It doesn't matter if the situation is happening at the moment or you speak about something in general. It depends, not it is depending. After that, he deserves to succeed. Deserves, not he's deserving. I disagree with you, not I'm disagreeing with you. I disagree with you. I doubt it, not I'm doubting it. I don't know it, not I'm not knowing it. Yes, these groups are specific, and yes, they are divided into groups. You can memorize the basic verbs that belong to these groups, but the most important thing is to understand the logic. So look at the verbs: agree, believe, depend, deserve, disagree, doubt, know, understand. It's important to catch the logic, because you can't memorize all verbs in English, right? These verbs that have no ing form or no form in continuous tense are called stative verbs. And these are verbs that express emotion or verbs that express possession. These are also verbs which you use when we speak about senses, what you see, what you hear. These are also verbs that are connected with the way you think when you speak about thought, as think, believe, and remember. So it's really quite more important to remember what groups of verbs do not form the continuous tenses. Okay? When you speak about emotion, the verbs connected with emotion, the verbs connected with possession, the verbs of senses, and the verbs of thought. But, okay, this is the general rule. Of course, not everything goes by the rules, as usually in English. So where the exceptions are: the verb think, the verb have, the verb look, the verb feel. Examples: I think you're cool. I'm thinking of buying a car. I think in general. That's my opinion. When you express opinion, when you say that something is on your mind, then you use the simple form of think. But I'm thinking, it already means that you're considering something, that you have a plan about something. So when you speak about your plans, then you can use the continuous form of think. I have a car. It's possession. When you express possessions, you do use the simple form of have. I have a car. I'm having a bath. Here the meaning is different. I'm having a bath. It means not that you are physically having the bath. Mostly it means that you are in the bathroom and you are taking a bath, right? So in these situations, it's okay to use the continuous form of have. Next one, look and feel. These verbs, or the verbs of senses, you can use actually in simple and in continuous form without any change in the meaning. It doesn't matter which one you will say. You look well today, or you're looking well today. Both of them mean one and the same. So we've already moved a little bit in the ladder of our knowledge of tenses. Let's see what you've remembered, and let's practice a little bit. The PDF, of course. In the first exercise, you need to choose again between present simple and present continuous. But what you need to be careful about is that this time, this is a text. It's not just a sentence that you need to decide by itself. Here you need to be careful in the context. The second exercise, present simple or present continuous, it practices more stative verbs. Good luck.